Hey guys, it's Ryan here. I'm at a convenience store called Dick's, and I'm going to be doing a couple really loud burps right in front of people.
Nice one.
Oh, no, I'm okay. No.